So now the drone is basically generating area round in order to check out how the factory looks and to plan after that where exactly it needs to fly to capture the best results. Okay, so now when we have created the area round, we'll go ahead and click routes, plus, and Smart 3D Capture. And then the Smart 3D Capture will require an area route, which we just did. So with a plan flight route using local models, and here we have local mapping, this one. Okay, and now we get this interesting map here. So we basically need to select the point around the factory. In this way, the software can figure out exactly which area to map. Okay, so now we've selected the polygon, and let's hit the blue button up in the left corner. Then we can see this blue box here, and we can adjust altitude, adjust the area of interest if we want. Okay, Matrice 4E, okay. And one thing I like to do is advanced settings, and here you can see the overlap. I want to put it to 80%, which is very, very detailed. Okay, now we can see the green lines show basically the flight routes. Beautiful. And then after that we just hit up on the white button up in the left corner, and we're good to go. Here it is, scanning with the automated mission.